Hi everyone, welcome to TT's Footprints. Today I bring you a very simple and interesting snack, spring onion puffs. Whenever you buy spring onions, you have to buy a whole bunch of it. And I don't know whether you have been in a dilemma like me, I always find the greens left over. And even if stored in the fridge, it doesn't last more than a day or two. So today I will show you how to use the leftover spring onions and convert it into a yummy snack. If you're new to my channel and this is your first visit, hello and welcome. If you enjoy watching, please don't forget to subscribe and support. Make dough with all-purpose flour, salt and water. Chop the spring onion greens and keep it aside. Roll out the dough into circles and to give a uniform shape, I have used a plate to cut it in rounds. Dust each circle with all-purpose flour and layer one over the other. Once you have rolled out all the dough, take all the layers and together roll out into a big round circle. Roll it out into very thin sheets. When done, separate each sheet. You can see how thin it is. Now we get the filling ready. On each sheet, sprinkle some chili flakes, oregano, spring onion greens and cheese. Fold it from all four sides and finally seal it with a little water. Get all the puffs ready in the similar way. Instead of a round, you can also give it a rectangular or a square shape. Once all the puffs are ready, heat some oil in a pan and shallow fry till golden brown from either side. Serve this cheesy spring onion puffs either plain or with your favorite dip. Do try this and I guarantee your spring onion greens will never go waste again. If you enjoy watching my videos and find them helpful, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for new notifications. Also do share them with your family and friends. Thank you for watching and meet you soon in my next one.